Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, Carolina's Creations Handmade, the perfect place for you to learn how to make beautiful things of your own. So make sure if you're not a subscriber, you click the red button down below and also click the little bell button down below so you don't miss any of my videos. And today I have a gorgeous project to share with you. This is so beautiful and it's so easy and so inexpensive to make, you're not going to believe it. So we're going to be making this gorgeous Valentine's wreath. And we're going to need 2 or 3 sets of this white flowers, or any white flowers that you find, or you can use any color flowers that you prefer. I'm also using 4, you can get 5 of them, but with 4 you can make the wreath. 4 of these little bunches of flowers. You can find this also at the Dollar Tree. They're just so gorgeous and they're only $1. And we're also going to be using this heart frame that you can find at the Dollar Tree. As you can see, that's just the frame that we used. I have to tell you, if you don't have a Dollar Tree, if you don't find these frames, don't worry, you really don't need these frames. You can actually trace a heart shape and then trace a smaller shape inside and cut the smaller shape so you get a frame from poster board or cardboard. If you use cardboard, make sure that you cut 2 shapes so you can glue them together and they get sturdier. You don't really need the heart because what gives the volume here is not the layers of wire here, it's the flowers. And we're going to need a glue gun, some silicone. Make sure that you're careful using your glue gun because it's very easy to get burned. And I'm also using these little buttons that I get at Tuesday morning. They're from the Dress It Up fancy grab bag. This ones you can find at Tuesday morning for $1.99, or you can also find them at any craft store for $4.99 or so. They're not expensive at all, and they dress up your projects so beautifully. So this is such an easy project to make. You can actually make a loop here and glue it on the back so you can hang it from the wall, or you can hang it just as it is. I want to keep it just as it is without any loops because since it's wire, you can just hang it whatever on the wall. I hope you liked the tutorial. If you do, please don't forget, click the like button, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, watch till the end of the video. I have a few tips that I can give you later on. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and let me know in the comment section how do you like it and if you would make one. See you back here towards the end of the video. I'm going to start placing my flowers all around the heart so I know which ones I want to use and where I want to use them. And the way I'm going to place them is, I'm not sure that you can see it here, but if you see in between the 2 wires, that's where I'm going to glue my flowers. I'm going to place them right in between those 2 wires. And if you're not using one of this, if you're using cardstock or poster board, a hard frame, you just have to place them right on top. So I'm going to figure out how I want my flowers placed, and I recommend you do that because that way you know exactly how many flowers you need and how to place them so they look the best. So I'm going to get one of the pink bunches first, and then I'm going to use one of the white roses, and I'm going to keep alternating them all throughout the heart. I said before you're going to need 2 little bunches of the white roses and 4 of the pink roses, but you may need to buy an extra one just in case you want to fill any gaps on your wreath so it looks perfect. So I started with 4 of the pink bunches and 2 of the white ones. Since the flowers are really not expensive at all, they're only $1 for the little bunch at the Dollar Tree, I recommend that you buy an extra set of the white ones and the pink ones, just in case you want to use an extra flower to fill in any gaps. And now I'm going to start gluing my flowers. And the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to apply the hot glue on the wires, not on the flowers. And then I'm going to place the flowers. I like doing it this way because that way the flower is going to be
glued right in place, and I'm not going to have extra glue all over my flower. There is going to be hot glue running on the surface you're working on, so make sure that the area you're working on, it's not going to be damaged by hot glue falling onto it. While I'm gluing my flowers, I may glue 2 petals from 2 different flowers together to cover any gaps that are left, so my wreath looks a lot fuller. So I'm going to play some music now, and I'm going to let you watch how I fill up all my wreath, and then I'll catch up with you in just a few. So we're almost done, but I want my heart to have a little peak in here so it looks more like a heart. So I'm going to add this white rose in there so I can shape it and give it a better heart shape. Now, isn't it gorgeous? Oh my god, I so love how it turned out. And if you see on the back, since we didn't place adhesive all over the flowers, it's a better, cleaner finish. And since this wire, you don't really need to have a loop to hang this on the wall.
Alright guys, so how do you like the tutorial? I hope this was easy to follow. I wanted to make this tutorial for you because I think it's just so gorgeous. It's so inexpensive, it's so easy to make, and it would just dress up your house for Valentine's beautifully. So thank you so much for watching guys. If you liked the video, don't forget, click the like button down below, subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber, and leave me a comment on the comment section. Let me know how do you like the wreath. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you back here soon for another video. Bye bye. Love you guys. Mwah.